In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Fortnite mobile lag in Chapter 7. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, whenever you have Fortnite mobile open, what you want to go ahead and do is go to the top right and then go over to your settings like so. If you're lagging a lot, what you want to do is firstly, you can try and increase your FPS to 60 FPS because you might be on 30 or 45, which is why it might be lagging. Scroll down and you're going to see quality presets. So go from epic to low. So I'm going to just do that. And then your texture quality as well, turn that to low as well. Where it says allow low power mode, switch that to off because you don't want that. You don't want to report performance stats because that's going to slightly affect your performance as well. And then what you could also do, if it's still lagging slightly, you could change your 3D resolution to about 75% or 60%, even as low as 50%. Your game is going to look a bit more pixely whenever you go ahead and do this because it's going to be half the quality or, you know, like 3/4 of the quality, but it's definitely going to improve your FPS. It's going to help lag a lot. And then what you could also go ahead and do is whenever you're here, you can change your matchmaking region. Make sure you're on the correct matchmaking region. But yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe and check our other Fortnite Chapter 7 videos over on the channel.